Embrace.
Elevate.
Transform. Join us in Toronto for the most dynamic learning and networking engagement for internal auditors from around the world. Our immersive and interactive risk management focused program takes deep dives into timely issues like audit committee and board relations, cybersecurity, emerging technologies, sustainability, fraud and crime, and human capital. Plus, a track exclusively dedicated to chief audit executives, along with translations in 63 languages. Engage with forward-thinking visionaries and renowned international speakers like futurist and former head of go-to-market for OpenAI, Zach Cass. It's all live from Toronto, or virtual, because new demands create new designs. Just ask Pia Heidemark-Cook, former Chief Sustainability Officer at IKEA. Get ready for the IIA's 2025 International Conference, where Isabella Aguilera, former president of GE Spain and Portugal and CEO Google Iberia, along with 2,200 plus attendees are embracing change and elevating standards. Don't miss your chance to meet and connect during the largest international conference for audit professionals. Register now while space is still available. IIAIC.org.